Recording in progress. Agreeing the date. So Yeah.
Yeah. Oh man. Let's see how C goes. Hopefully it's set up.
Yeah. Hoping on that too.
What's good, everyone? How's everyone doing? Give me a second here. Um, okay. Good morning, Edwin. All right, so we got a 1 hour supply here. It stands right now on gold. I will still be looking for sales. Like a steady supply. We got news coming up, so we're just gonna wait for this news. All right, let's take a look at NAS here. And Q. Nothing there. 30 minutes. Mark up this 15-minute demand. Okie dokie. So we got news coming up in 19 minutes here. Morning, Alex, DX, The Smith. Morning, Q the Beat. You caught that monster sale on gold. Yeah, we caught some of it down in London session as well. YouTube, how was you guys? Did any one of you trade London session? Are you done for the day, Q the Beat? Nice. You sold from Asia, still holding. Damn. Damn, Chooks. You trying to be done for the year? Damn, Chooks, you done for the year if you still holding the sell from Asia session. But man, jokes aside, you should be done for today. There's no point trading today. You're going on vacation early?
Well, you heard Abe. No point trading today. See everyone tomorrow. Stream's ending.
Oh, not me. I'm not done yet. But Chooks is done. He said laughing out loud, not me either. Next. If the next one I flip bullish, you close. Okay. Have you ever had any funny account horror stories, or has everything been good? I mean, yeah, I'm pretty sure all of us, we've had a few stories with some problems. Well, before we enter this stream, I'm gonna take some time and pretty much talk about this anti-trade platform, because I think some of you might like it. Based on some stuff that just was brought to my attention. And I actually like the fact that they're doing that, so I might as well share it with you guys. Yes, Tiny Rooster, futures. So, to be honest, when it comes to buying gold right now, for me, even though, you know, I trade supply and demand and you pretty much you buy low and sell high. However, I just don't buy low and sell high blindly. Now, with that being said, we all know the higher time frame is of course still bullish overall. However, looking at this time frame here, are we creating highs or are we creating lows? We are creating lows, meaning we're creating lower lows and lower highs. Now that we've identified that, where will be the safest place to buy, since we're actually creating lower lows and lower highs? For me personally, is going to be above 32.60, which is pretty much right over there, above 32.59, 32.60. Now, why does it have to be above 32.59, 32.60? Well, that is because we have a range starting from 32.59, and now we have a low here at 32.09. Now, this is the origin of the drop. right, in this range. This is the origin of the drop. We had a continuation here, continuation here, continuation here, continuation here. Okay, now the moment we break above 32.59, we're out of that range, and you're left with this previous continuation here, which is going to be another range, which is where this range here started from, is going to be from here at 33.30. So if we should have a BOS above 32.59, there's a high chance that this supply here is not going to hold up until we potentially get back up to the highs, or we could reject this supply here instead. So when it comes to buys, that would be what I'll be looking for. So that'll be what I'll be looking for. So as long as we're still between 32.60 and this low we just created, I'm actually still looking for sales. I am not interested in buying gold right now. Yep, you got that right, Cudabit. We got 5 more minutes to news. Good morning, Eddie. Got 2 more minutes to news. 2 more minutes. See if this news is gonna do anything. I actually would prefer it if gold can get back to any of these 2 supplies above. Give us a deeper retracement.
Well, the figure was higher than forecast, so yeah, gold should go up a little bit now. Get a nice higher. One of the higher supplies. Let's see.
Yep. According to the news, that's what they should do.
Yes, according to the news. If it's not priced in already.
Also, before I forget, so if this supply that we're currently reacting to right now, if it rejects and we start coming down, if we reject this, I will take the buy simply because I'm not expecting this to hold on this low. But if we keep going up, then of course I'll be looking for sales any of these zones here, including this resistance. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, I forgot to mention that killed a bit. Simply because we pretty much go to the to a higher time frame support. I still believe it's going to come back. I mean, we're still going to continue to the downside and break this support. As of right now, I do not see this 30-minute resistance being taken out. I will be willing to take that bias from there. Yeah, I'll be willing to do that, especially if the 1 hour closes strongly this candle, and then we also create a strong support here on the 1 hour. That would pretty much be the criteria for the buys, depending on how this 1 hour candle closes. Because there is a chance that since we've created this support here, we could pretty much not break above this supply, and we reject, we start coming back down, get to this demand, and then we had this push, maybe to this or this, and then we start to fall again.
Yeah, I like that idea as well, that one, because you're gonna get New York start in an hour, yeah, ish. Then also there's another news, so that would make sense.
Because before we broke this low in this range, this low at 32.28 was our major low in this range. And now we've created a new low, so this is now our major low. Even though we've not broken out of any highs just yet, it's still our major low until it gets taken out again. It's a new month. We started off with a win. See how the month ends. So while we're pretty much waiting for a setup here, I'm going to talk about this platform real quick called End2Trade. So one of the things that I do like about, give me a second here. Okay, so one of the things that I do like about this platform, well, for this month they changed their stuff to 50% off. It's no longer 60. Now, for example, let's say you go for the 50K account. Now, the 50K account, of course, is the easiest to pass, or you can go lower, 25K, or you can do 100K. But let's say you go for the 50K account, and if you want to do it, this is the best one. I prefer the Trader Career Path because you can pretty much get funded up to 400K. Now, the main thing that I do like about this platform, because other ones are not doing it like this, is that once you start the evaluation and you hit your profit target, which is 3K, right, you move straight over to the funded account, which is actually not live, it's still a sim account. But the moment you reach your profit target, which is 3K, immediately you were moved over to a 100K account immediately, and you start trading a live account, real money, immediately. Once you hit your profit target of 100K, which is going to be $6,000, immediately you are moved over to 200K account immediately. Same thing, you hit your profit target of 200K, you are moved over to the 400K live account. There is no waiting. You don't have to wait on the platform to be like, okay, keep trading. Then we'll figure out whether, you can actually, you're actually good. You can actually trade. Then we'll move you over to a live account. This platform, they don't do that. Immediately you pass, you move over to the next stage. From 50K straight to 100K live account. 200K live account, and then 400K live account. This is where you will stay because that's the maximum account that they offer. And then if you want to start all over again, you get another account and then you do it all over again. And once you get to the 400K, now their drawdown is fixed. You cannot go below 388K. But these live accounts here, below 400K, they have a trailing drawdown. But when you in the evaluation and when you're still trading the same funded account, you still have the you don't have the trailing drawdown. But once you start trading live from this 100K, then they have trailing drawdown. It's no longer what do you call it? EOD is trailing drawdown, which is not bad actually. So that's actually the main thing that I like about this platform. And then their profit split, they pay every week. And then the profit split is 80-20. So weekly pay, profit split, 80-20. So that's those are the main things that I actually do like about this company, and they do pay. You can take a look at their Discord. They do pay. So let's go back to trading. Oh, you guys can't see it on Zoom? Oh, I was talking about End2Trade. You guys couldn't see this? Couldn't see it?
I only see your chart.
Oh.
And I thought it was me because obviously I came a little bit late, but
Oh. I was talking about End2Trade.
End2Trade, that one, yeah? You mentioned that one,
Yeah. You trading NQ today, Wall? Oh, I thought Wall was
Definitely.
here. Oh. Man, look at you. Now you're loving NQ more than me. You trade it every day, even if you take gold,
And
you still trade
Yeah.
NAS too.
Yeah.
I saw that one.
I think yesterday was probably like one of the few times I didn't trade NAS.
Oh, okay.
But it's kind of because it already dropped, and it's like, ah, shit.
All right, so I am going to start looking for sales here. Nope, we need to wait for this candle to close.
I earned to trade. When the funny trading company made another gem.
What did you miss? Oh, you just came back? You were not here? No matter what, we gotta wait for this candle to close.
Special offer on TCP accounts, 15% off for 2 months.
And just in case, maybe might have to use 5-minute entry. It's actually weird that the 5-minute entry is at 32.29.
How much is it? Jesus. What happened? Sorry, I forgot your mom. What's that before? Is she want to go? This is the one. Let me try now. Oh my god. No if.
Morning, Mr. K.
You know, like, there's a few people that I have helped, you know, over the last couple of years, if you like. And they've always really respected. There was that one guy, another guy who I helped. And all the, and by the way, these guys like your age, you know, like this guy Nathan, he is 20, I think just turned 25. He's just turned 25. And there's another guy I've helped
I
who's
don't
like
think she's talking to
26 around that. So when he got funded and he got paid and he actually sent, what did he do? He sent me.
Don't incriminate yourself, Daddy.
Yeah, I don't think she's talking to us. The moment she mentioned 25, I knew she wasn't talking to us.
Yeah, far too young for us.
Damn. Oh, the truth hurts.
Yeah. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? all these ape followers with their own mentorships. Go on, Wall. Are you streaming as well, Wall?
King,
Yep.
you do look at it on the 4 hour.
Did I look at the 4 hour?
You look at the 4 hour, yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking at it now.
Do you not think that that's that's a demand area we're just rejecting?
Yeah, pretty much. We grab the I mean, we grab the demand low.
Yeah.
That's fine. I'm still looking for the sales though.
Yeah, okay. Me too, down to hell.
I think we tapped the 15 now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, how many pips this will be? Oh. I hope that just got bigger. Okay. 150. $32, $31. $32, $31. Oh snap.
Order submitted.
What the hell is it? We take this trade, we're looking at 150.
Order filled.
I'm already. That account is micro. Just wait until this alert goes off. All right, now you guys can get in. What's going on with my Twitter bit?
Order filled.
Good morning, Joseph. While you're still here,
Yep.
let's take a break for me. I'm gonna go use the restroom. I'll be right back, guys.
YouTube's quiet. So Edwin, give us the heads up. What's Gideon up to? What's he doing? He's in the cell. Gideon's in the cell. Wildebeest doesn't trust it. Doesn't trust the cell. I think it's difficult. I took a couple super tight scalps on this though. It's like that candle had no top wick, and what I did was I put a sell order and the candle flipped, and it tapped me in and instantly went into profit, and I took my profit and ran. And now it's flipping again. So already you know it's like not a great area. Also, I wouldn't be surprised if this thing like goes even higher from here. Only to ultimately, you know, end up going down. Let's see what happens at 32, 38.0. Let's see if it rejects there. I was honestly pretty tempted to take a long just now off of like 32.0. But, you know, let's not get crazy. Oh, okay, so it is rejecting here. Sellers are trying. I don't know. I don't know. It's a battle. There's a battle going on. Rather than like just a straight up rejection, like they just step in and crush the buyers. It's kind of like ping ponging around this area.
It flipped?
Oh, buyers are trying to push it higher still.
Huh.
Yeah, reacting. Yeah.
I can believe it flipped.
You actually out in this zone that we're trading in, like just this area, your entry was basically like the POC and it just, you know, bounced.
POC is gone on Trader rate. Well, we'll see what this do.
It can totally rotate back down. This candle to the upside that pushed up on is pretty thin. There we go. Fill it back down.
I should get my order flow out. Are you talking
here we
about,
go.
Are you talking to Vall?
Securing 30 pips right there. Thank you, Goldie.
Man, we don't trick the tick chat. We don't want to hear.
Okay, okay. But I did say, 38.0, they're gonna if they're gonna step in, it's around there.
Pi is over there too, ticking away.
Yeah. Now I want to see this thing hit 31.0 at least. See if those buyers are still there.
Oh, Dex said his buys. Well, somebody will be right. Man, where did this fly come from? I keep opening them doors.
Take the sell. Man, J Smith, I took the sell. I took the sell on the top wick. When that candle had no top wick, I sold it.
How many times? 20?
I sold two contracts. It tagged me in, and then 30 pips like pretty much instantly. And then just now caught another 30, looking for all the way down to 31. So that'll be what, like 70? 66 pips.
Nice. We're trying to catch 150. Big boys
Yep.
move.
Good luck.
Yeah, I just made TikTok wow, scalping wow. He's become the scalping king. Wow, I want to join your TikTok mentorship.
Sure thing.
And me. It's getting quick before Vall increase the price. Beginner price.
Got him. Got him. All right. Very nice.
Thing is, for me, you're gonna have to do my trades for me because the way you go in and out of those trades, I think you see things that nobody sees.
Yep.
Now if it like can break past like 27.5 aggressively and then it pulls back, I will sell that pullback.
Man, stop jinxing us. We don't want no pullback. We just want it to come straight down. No pullbacks, gold. Where I'm looking at this right now, if we can break below this previous bottom wick, a bullish candle, we should continue down.
Yeah. I bet it's like almost a guarantee that's gonna go back down there. It's just, when. And then like New York session yesterday, it finally dropped, but it was like late New York when it started.
Yeah. Yeah, during London, I was telling you guys, I thought about taking sell this move right here. But I didn't.
Dex says it's a buy. Gold's a buy, he says.
Yeah, that's what he said. Guess he's not using the VWAP today.
Oh yeah. Let me turn on that VWAP.
Still trading below it.
Yep, still below it. We never touched it, but it did get pretty close both on both of these pullbacks.
Yeah, it got close.
Did someone say VWAP? DS just said. Did someone just say VWAP?
Yeah, we did.
Come on, Edwin. Kill the Beat's never gonna get in. He only gets in when like a high or a low like gets wicked out. And then he has a really tight stop loss. Except for yesterday when he just FOMO'd into the gold sell like in the middle of the giant bearish candle. Man, 80 pip 1 minute candle.
It's been a long time since I FOMO'd into a trade.
Yep. If a trade kind of goes without me, I just kind of like just cuss them out. It's like, fuck you, Nas, god damn it.
Mm-hmm.
And then just sit back and watch it go.
NYSE is about to open 5 minutes. Oh, Jay Smith's asking you to explain why you're selling gold. Okay, the reason why I'm selling was because, of course, we're creating lower highs and lower lows. We've not taken out any highs just yet, and we pretty much got to a level of supply. I mean, it's that simple. That's why I'm selling gold. So that's why I sold.
Is that a BOS 2332? Is he talking about futures? Let me see.
BOS.
32.
BOS where? 32, 34.9. That's not a strong BOS. And when we took the trade, we had no BOS. And that high at 32, 34.9. This one of our candle did not close above it. See what happens. Whatever happens, happens. I took the setup that I wanted, so.
So far, 31.0 still holding. One minute for NYSE.
Yeah, we'll see what the big players decide to do. Hopefully they go our way. Twenty seconds. Oh, NYSE is open.
Oh, looks like there's a big seller at 31.0. Oh, we went straight through him. Never mind.
Oh, flipped.
This thing should come straight back down because it left a gap. And this push up. Thanks, gold. Bag some more pips. gap's been filled. Man, I'm turning my fucking trading off. Fuck this. My god. Oh, man.
NQ possible sell. Well.
One more trade, DS. One more trade. I'm not gonna lie, I do want it. I do want to trade NAS at least once, but I don't think I should. Multiple wins in a row, no losses. Man, just walk away. Walk away. Yeah, don't do gold again. Yeah. Dip your hands too many times in the cookie jar and you're gonna get bit.
Yeah, man, we tried breaking that minor low. It's not breaking.
No one ever got a Lambro from walking away. That's true.
I don't know if that's true.
Damn, this thing's gone like up and down on this tiny, well, this pretty decent sized range like so many times now.
Yep. Well, we finally wicked that low. And we're gonna close below.
It looks like it wants it.
Oh, wow.
Jesus.
Not even a strong low.
Man, straight back to the high again.
Hmm.
Oh wow, yeah. It's gonna flip again. My God.
Wow. Incredible.
Jesus. Well, if you're willing to risk it, you know, it's like you just fucking sell the highs again, hoping it goes straight back down to the lows. 100%. It can be emotionally draining watching price do this. Yes.
I agree. You just gotta keep your cool, keep your calm. Just gotta keep your cool, keep your calm. That's what I was saying yesterday, that for me, and it could be different for everyone else. Mentally, once I place the trade, mentally I'm just like, well, that money is already left my account. I would want to make some profit, but I have to think that, man, okay, this is the amount I'm willing to lose, and this trade I'm either gonna win or lose it. That's it, and that pretty much helps me mentally a little bit.
So they wicked the lows and now they're trying to wick out the highs.
The fact that it actually wicked the lows now and it's doing this, I don't like that. But we'll see what happens. Because we didn't wick the lows before.
Oh, that's true.
And whenever I take a supply or a demand setup and price keeps doing this, I really don't like it, because at that point, anything can happen.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's struggling.
Basically, the supply didn't do what it should have done, and then the demand is obviously holding up. So it's like, who knows?
That'd be a freaking. We don't even have a low 5-minute demand there.
It's down to 5?
Nah.
Oh.
Don't
It's on
even
my
have
tick
it.
chart, though.
Yeah, possibly.
Oh, damn, it's breaking the highs. Hmm. Man, this might be the nastiest candle ever. Took out the highs and the lows.
And that's once lower. When we took the trade, I was expecting a quick win, to be honest.
Man, Pi's so quiet lately.
Maybe
Even in London, he was so quiet.
maybe he's busy. Or we could blame God for that.
Oh, okay. Looks like it should come back down yet again. Man, this is disgusting.
Very. Trading gold in the NY session has just been something else lately compared to Asian session. True that, true.
Yeah.
I don't know what that's all about. Why gold just decide to pretty much have the nice moves down in Asian session. Asian is calling again? Nah. And then on top of that, gold freaking has the audacity to be freaking so volatile.
Yes. Oh, God.
So volatile yet low volume. We have news. Yeah, Lucy, we have news in 13 minutes actually. I was expecting a quick win when we took the trade actually, but Now we're still in it.
Oh yeah, ISM PMI. Oh,
Not expecting anything major with that news, but I could be wrong. Like the news that I really actually like to pay attention to, that I would just simply wait until after the news, is CPI, FOMC, but I don't trade FOMC, but CPI, FOMC, NFP,
Donald Trump.
I mean, you know, when he tweets, you know, you don't even know when he's going to tweet. See, what else? CPI, FOMC, NFP, unemployment. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Plus, I just feel like with news, when it comes to gold is still gonna do what it wants to do. But on those other major news events that I mentioned, yeah, a lot of times gold it will affect gold. And wars, of course. Gold loves.
Man, that's the craziest.
Gold loves disasters. Like if I was gonna trade NQ today, I would still be waiting for the news, because different that news, there's a high chance the news we have it could affect NQ.
Yeah, NAS is more sensitive to all the news.
Yeah. We wicked the lows again, and the previous candle we wicked it, and we have to come down this time. But we'll see. London session was actually pretty clean though. Even though, you know, look kind of rocky, they set up the price action.
Oh yeah.
The move was pretty smooth.
When was that trade set up? Like, waited quite a while, right?
It was this candle that that triggered us in. Pretty much at 4 o'clock my time.
Okay, not too bad. Oh wow, damn. I was like pretty certain gold's coming straight down.
Yep.
Still trying to go back up.
Man, you gotta be kidding me.
Jesus, that's insane.
Wow. About 30 ticks away from the 50% mark. So it came down 40 ticks from entry. I mean 45. Hmm.
Oh wow, damn, it's going back. Jesus.
Wow. Right, screw this barcode price action. You go in to mow your lawn. Happy hunting. Wow, wow, wow. And now we got 2 more minutes left for news. This price action is yes, it is. Definitely is. Hey, Madik, how you been?
Oh, Matic. Haven't seen him in a long time.
Yep, that's because, we've not been in Discord. But I
Oh,
think
right.
it's posted in Discord.
Oof, 1 minute and then news.
Mm. Second time with weekly lows.
That's kind of crazy that it didn't follow through. So wick low, wick high, wick low again.
Oh, you've been on a little vacation? Okay, nice. You didn't miss anything.
Oop, news.
Uh-oh. Yeah, we've been good, Madik. Thanks for asking. Right now, we're just hoping good makes us some money. So we can all leave smiling. Smiling and dancing. Man, that's 50%. You know what to do from here. If you want to get out, take partials or whatever you want to do. Let's see if good gives us 1-to-1, because man, this has to come down now. Like, there's no way we're about to freaking flip.
Don't fucking jinx it.
Wow. If you close your trade right at this 50% mark, this 50% target, shit, I won't even blame you. Especially the way God has been acting this session. man, just calm down already. Alright, good. You're gonna need to stop torturing us now. Just calm down already. How many of you got out of this trade, YouTube? And how many of you have your stops at break even and took partials? You did go there? Well, why is out, Chad? If he's been here, of course, he's definitely out. Oh. Like, what the hell is this? I don't think
It's something.
I don't think we're trading New York session right now. Maybe we're trading Sydney session. Oh
Man. Wow, damn, it's back to your entry again. Jesus.
You took partials perpetual? Okay. I know Rack it a bit.
Man, if I'm in a trade like this, it's the worst thing in the world because it's like, do you have to, like put that much trauma on the person before you get to the TP? You're gonna do it, just, do it.
Total garbage. Man, if this was happening when I switched from intraday to day trading, shit, I would have been like, fuck this. I'm going back to intraday. I'm like, fuck this, I'm going back to intraday. Just place my trade and don't watch it. I have to stay in trades these days with this price action. Yeah, you're right. And man, recently, just because of how price has been moving, yeah, my win rate is lower than last year as of right now.
Oh
Look at
man!
this.
Wow! Wow! It's fucking flipping, man.
I've been closing at 50%. Oh yeah, I would have made way more than what I've made so far this year. But I don't trade like that anymore. Because I knew for a fact I'll still make money. It might not be as, much as what I made last year, but shit, as long as I still see blues at the end of the week, at the end of the month, at the end of the year, then I'm good. I don't care about the amounts. I just want to see blues.
Man, God, what the fuck?
You didn't close?
Oh yeah, of course I did. But I mean,
Oh.
wow, what the fuck?
Oh, I was gonna, man, that's good. That's gonna be a new one.
No, man. Not. It was the way it was moving. I saw 50%, and thank God. and I was out.
I was gonna be like, man, you give your life to Christ.
I gave in. Take me, Lord. Oh man.
Man, you've been so quiet lately. I thought you were like popping off trades left and right or sitting in drawdown or something.
No, man. I've had the worst cold or flu the last week or so, man. Feel a bit ropey. So taking it easy. Oh, if I was standing drawdown, I'd tell you.
Well, get better soon.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. And I was 37 yesterday, and my eldest son, he's I think I might have said before, he's autistic, so sometimes he said things that come out a little bit may be offensive. And he said, he asked how old I was. I told him, and he said, "Wow, if you died, the newspaper wouldn't say young man dies. It would just say man died. It was his time." And I was like, "Fuck me, man."
Damn.
Oh, that's true. That's true. Yeah, no filter, kill the beat. No filter.
Yeah, they didn't sugarcoat anything.
No way. But I was like, damn, that's true.
I was watching, no, not just me and my girl, we were watching this dating show on Netflix. It's pretty much for autistic people. And man, in fact, I was learning from them because it was so freaking romantic. I was like, man, maybe I should start doing this. Maybe I should start doing that.
Yeah, take some notes.
Yeah,
Take some notes.
I was.
They know what. They know.
I was taking notes. I promise you.
Yeah. What? Love on. Is that Love on the Spectrum? Oh.
I can't remember what it's called. I can't remember the title actually.
Yeah. No, it's good. It's good.
Can I zoom out on the 30-minute for a second? 30 minutes. Oh, this is what the 30-minute looks like. This is what the 30-minute looks like. Currently waiting on a candle closure above MSS. Oh man. It will say from down there to Doji, WTF. I feel your pain, Edwin. I'm trying to hold mine over here.
Man, that's actually pretty crazy. Like that it managed to go that far down and come all the way back up.
Yeah.
Awful candle.
Am I still in that trade, King? Yes, I'm still in. Some people got out at the 50% target, and some of us are still in. And who knows? Maybe I'm the only one still in.
Crazy. If you look at the structure, though, buyers haven't really done much. We've wicked, and it's looked a bit scary, but they haven't managed to get a closure above anything.
No. It's just not fun when you have moves like this. The way it's just been wicking the lows, not really dropping, or I mean closing strongly, rather. But since we took this trade, we've not had a strong bearish closure. Maybe we will now. We'll see. I'm gonna go grab me some water. God is making me thirsty. I'll be right back, guys.
On a downtrend, if you look at the 1 minute, yeah, it's definitely downtrending. Now I will say, this like wick low area, buyers could step in right around here. Man, if I wasn't already done trading, I would have taken that buy. And I would have already secured 30 on this push up. Oh, man.
Oh.
So what's that? Yeah, right around here, 20, I mean, 32, 30-ish. Sellers hopefully step back in to control, maintain control. Man, Abe's entry. My God, they want to go back to it like 100 times.
I'm pulling out? No, not yet. I have been thinking about it though. At the same time, I'm just trusting this setup.
That's the best part. Abe always, you know, he'll trust his setup. He like almost never closes out of the trade until it either hits TP or stop loss.
Yeah, pretty much. But I ain't gonna lie, sometimes I be second guessing, like, man, I should have closed.
Broke the low. Straight to TP gold. Straight to TP. Man, that is so crazy. It wicks the lows and then keeps snapping back. My goodness.
Man, it's crazy.
Oh, Nas looks just as ugly. Man.
Oh. Wow. See, look at what he did. Grabbed the first minor support, went back up, then bam, came down again. Grabbed the second minor support. Now it's up again.
Yeah.
It might even come down again and grab the second. Grab the minor support down again. Oh man. Very interesting.
Crazy. Wow.
Let me
Damn.
check
It's
this
pulling
again.
back that deep. Far out. Hmm.
Numbers. Grid. How is this? How is this grid? That's crazy. You're calling it 1-to-1 grid?
Yeah. Man, before you guys post comments, like, at least, like, have some thought behind it. Like, you just, it's like just greed by itself. It's like, if you have some sort of, like, explanation or whatever. Otherwise, just fucking keep that dumb comment to yourself.
This candle is about to close.
Well, at least it's the strongest body closure since a long time ago.
Man, I don't know about that. Not with this bottom wig the way it's about to close.
Wow.
When are we blocking guys that talk nonsense? Man, look at how we freaking closed.
Jesus.
Right back.
Man. That's some terrible price action.
What a trade.
I know. Damn. Horrendous.
Well,
Get your 15, call it a day, king. Gold ugly as today. Okay, Nas took out the high again. So take out low, take out high, take out low, take out high. Very nice. I wonder if it's because of NFP tomorrow. Is it that important?
and I Well, YouTube, I don't want to watch this anymore. So, all links is down below in the description. The bootcamp we're having starting this weekend, pretty much tomorrow actually. 3 days bootcamp. Interested in that? Use the link in the description. Private community on school, all that good stuff. All links is in the description. So I'm gonna catch you guys again tomorrow, NFP day. Let's see if we can finish the week strong. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. God bless. I'm out. Peace. Well, all right, Zoom. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow down in London.
All right, thanks, Ed.
All right, guys.
You know what happened to me, King?
What
I
happened?
I had to close the trade prior to the news. You know on the right. So I had to close it, and I said, whatever happens, when I'm allowed to go back in, I'm just going to re-enter.
Oh.
Yeah. So I'm going to be sticking to this.
All right.
All right. Thank you. See you tomorrow.
All right. See you guys tomorrow.
Close to me.